Want a home that practically runs itself while you focus on what matters most? These clever gadgets from Amazon automate chores, boost security, and streamline your daily routine without any extra effort. From smart controls to time-saving helpers, each pick is designed to make busy days feel a whole lot lighter. All products are linked in the description below. Cook, store, and serve eggs in style with this 3-in-1 egg holder. This penguin-shaped gadget holds up to 6 eggs, letting you boil them safely with its heat-resistant handle. Once cooked, it doubles as a fridge storage rack or a cute serving tray. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic and dishwasher safe, it's a charming, practical addition to any kitchen and a fun gift for penguin lovers. Never lose your keys, wallet, or other valuables again with this key finder set. The color-coded receivers beep loudly and flash an LED when activated, guiding you straight to your items, even in the dark. With up to 131 feet of range, included batteries, and easy attachment to phones, pets, or remotes, it's perfect for busy households or forgetful friends. A simple, practical gadget that saves time and stress. Transform your utility room from cluttered to completely organized with smart storage solutions for every item. Tall units keep bulky things like vacuums, ladders, and drying racks out of the way, while clear containers on shelves let you spot what you need instantly. Smaller drawers maximize vertical space, and open shelving with wicker baskets keeps everyday essentials tidy and within reach. Stylish, practical, and organized, everything has its place, making chores effortless. Make food storage quick and mess-free with the stretch-tight Wrap-N Snap Dispenser. Its dual cutting system, serrated blade, plus slide cutter lets you slice plastic wrap cleanly every time, while holding multiple roll sizes for convenience. BPA-free and phthalate-free, it keeps leftovers fresh and prevents spills. Easy to refill and simple to use, this dispenser turns everyday wrapping into a smooth, effortless kitchen task. Keep your plants healthy and hydrated effortlessly with these colorful self-watering globes. Each glass globe slowly releases water over up to 5 days, helping roots grow strong while preventing over- or underwatering. Perfect for indoor or outdoor plants, succulents, or hanging planters, they save time and make plant care stress-free. Simply insert into soil and enjoy the convenience of consistent, automatic irrigation for your greenery. Say goodbye to bending over with the touchless vacuum dustpan. Motion-activated sensors sweep up pet hair, crumbs, and dirt instantly with 1,000 watts of power. Bagless and corded, it's always ready for quick cleanups, while high-efficiency filters trap dust and return clean air. Perfect for busy kitchens, pet owners, or anyone wanting a hands-free, effortless way to keep floors spotless without the back strain. Keep your knives and cutlery spotless without risking cuts with this clever cleaning brush. Its unique wraparound design scrubs both sides of blades at once, while the posed bristles tackle stuck-on food with ease. The textured, non-slip grip keeps your hands safe and comfortable during use. Compact and simple to wash, it's a small kitchen tool that makes cleaning sharp utensils faster, safer, and more efficient. Make shredding meat effortless with this upgraded chicken shredder. Its ergonomic handle and anti-slip base keep it stable, while built-in teeth and a spiked lid shred chicken, pork, or beef evenly in seconds. The transparent lid lets you see progress, and food-grade, BPA-free materials make cleanup safe and simple. Perfect for BBQs, tacos, casseroles, or even pet meals, it's a small kitchen tool that saves big time and effort. Make bathroom cleaning effortless with this electric spin scrubber. Cordless and waterproof, it tackles tough stains with dual speed rotation and up to 90 minutes of continuous power. The adjustable 53-inch pole reaches high tiles and low corners without straining your back. With 3 interchangeable brush heads for every surface, it's perfect for showers, tubs, toilets, and even kitchens. Cleaning is faster, easier, and way more comfortable. Upgrade your bathroom routine with this automatic mouthwash dispenser. Rechargeable and reusable, it's eco-friendly and eliminates constant battery changes. Choose the perfect amount with 3 adjustable dispensing levels, making it ideal for adults and kids alike. Wall-mounted for convenience and designed with sleek, modern lines, it keeps your bathroom looking stylish while making oral care effortless. A small gadget that truly transforms your daily hygiene routine. Bring the gym home with the smart workout system. This all-in-one machine combines strength and cardio training, offering hundreds of exercises and adjustable resistance for a full-body transformation. Dual engines and a smart touchscreen let you target muscles precisely, while features like ski mode and partner workouts make every session dynamic and fun. Compact yet powerful, it delivers professional-grade training without leaving your living room. Take your kitchen prep to the next level with this manual meat slicer. With 17 precision blades, it can turn fresh pork, beef, chicken, or salmon into perfectly even slices in a single stroke. Adjust the thickness to 2 or 4 millimeters for strips, dices, or jerky. Compact, easy to clean, and stable on your countertop, it's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking fresh, restaurant-quality meals at home. Wrinkled clothes. This digital steam press handles it all with minimal effort. A fast-heating water tank produces powerful, consistent steam in just minutes. 5 fabric presets and dual steam bursts tackle everything from silk to linen, removing stubborn wrinkles without damage. The extra-wide non-stick plate covers more surface at once, saving you time. Lightweight, safe, and easy to store, it turns ironing into a quick, professional-level task at home. Turn everyday chaos into labeled perfection. This compact printer connects to your phone and creates clean, professional labels in seconds. Thermal printing means no ink, no mess, just load the roll and print. The app offers dozens of fonts, symbols, and templates, so you can customize everything from spice jars to cables. Small, rechargeable, and easy to carry, it keeps your home, office, or business effortlessly organized. Breakfast just got a high-tech upgrade. This smart toaster uses a touchscreen, so you simply tap icons to get the perfect toast every time. 4 extra-wide slots handle bagels, waffles, thick bread, and more without squeezing or burning the edges. Dual controls let you toast different items on each side at the same time. Multiple browning levels, defrost, and reheat options make it feel like a mini breakfast station on your counter. Cut through tough materials without straining your hands. These cordless electric scissors glide through cardboard, plastic, fabric, and more with smooth-powered blades. Lightweight and ergonomic, they're comfortable to use even for long projects or weak hands. A safety start system prevents accidental activation, adding extra peace of mind. Rechargeable and easy to handle, they turn heavy-duty cutting into a quick, effortless task. Taking out the trash just got surprisingly high-tech. This smart bin opens with a wave of your hand, so you never touch a dirty lid again. When it's full, it seals the bag automatically and even installs a fresh one for you. Built-in refill rings provide dozens of bags, saving you constant replacements. Compact, hygienic, and almost hands-free, it turns a gross chore into a clean, effortless routine. Cleaning windows just got a futuristic upgrade. This smart robot sticks to the glass with powerful suction and scrubs away dirt while you relax. An ultrasonic spray mists water automatically, leaving a streak-free shine without constant refills. Intelligent sensors detect edges and prevent drops, so it's safe even on high windows. Lightweight and fully automatic, it turns a tiring chore into push-button convenience. Bring the frozen drink bar straight to your kitchen. This slushy machine turns juice, soda, coffee, or even chocolate milk into smooth, icy treats. No ice required. One-touch preset programs handle the temperature and texture, so you get perfect results every time. Just pour, press, and watch your drink transform in under an hour. The large container keeps everything frozen for hours, ready whenever you want a chilled refill. Meet the kitchen robot that practically cooks for you. This all-in-one machine chops, weighs, boils, steams, kneads, and stirs, so you just add ingredients and relax. The large touchscreen and app guide you step by step, automatically setting time and temperature for each recipe. A powerful heater and spacious bowl handle everything from soups to bread dough. It even cleans itself, turning complicated meals into effortless home cooking. Your bathroom counter doesn't have to look like a crowded mess. This wall-mounted organizer holds toothbrushes, toothpaste, and daily essentials all in one tidy spot. The automatic dispenser gives you the perfect amount of toothpaste with a simple push, no squeezing or waste. Magnetic cups hang upside down to stay clean, dry, and dust-free. With extra trays and a hidden drawer, you get smart storage that keeps everything neat and within reach. Wet boots don't have to ruin your next day. This dryer blows warm air deep inside, removing moisture in just a couple of hours. Telescopic bendable ports reach all the way to the toe, while a 180-degree rack fits shoes, tall boots, or even gloves. The intelligent timer shuts it off automatically, saving energy and preventing overheating. Quiet, compact, and easy to use, it keeps your gear dry, warm, and ready to wear. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.